Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to install AhsayOBM on Linux CLI or command line interface using the SH Online installer. Let's jump to my screen and get started. Log into a Linux machine using the root account via an SSH client like PuTTY. Create a directory for AhsayOBM installation. It is recommended to use the user local OBM folder. Enter the following command to create the directory, then change to that directory by entering the cd command. On a separate window, open your web browser, then type in the URL of your backup server. Go to the download page, and under AhsayOBM, go to the Linux FreeBSD and Solaris section. Right-click the SH Online installer and choose Copy Link Address. Use the curl command, then paste the copied link address from the download page to download the AhsayOBM SH Online installer. Rename the file by removing the characters starting from the question mark until the end. Use the mv command to rename the file. Add the following executable permissions to the AhsayOBM install script. Run the AhsayOBM installation script. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a bit of time. AhsayOBM has now been successfully installed on the Linux machine. Let us check if AhsayOBM scheduler service is running by entering the following ps command. We can see here that the scheduler service is running. After confirming that the scheduler service is running, go to the bin folder by typing the cd command, then input the following sh command to launch the application. Since we already have an account, choose option 1. Enter the URL of your backup server. Enter 443 as your port number. Select option 2 for HTTPS. And select no for proxy, as we will not be using a proxy server to access the internet. Enter your login credentials. You may now start to create a backup set and backup your files. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Linux CLI using the SH Online installer. It's that easy.